What's good, y'all, man? It's your boy Ox City 360 coming back to y'all. It got me a complete fuse block, like compartment. Okay. But, yeah, got the fuse block, all the fuses, and, snip these up off of there. I know he probably didn't want me to, but shit, I did it. But right now, what I'm doing is trying to figure out if I'll be able to connect my connect some stuff up to this. Like, let me see. Pretty sure these are some relays, but like I don't know. Shoot. I don't know what I was gonna do. Two of these big ass. Oh, okay. My thing is like if this one goes for the ignition, this one says it goes to the starter. So this one goes to the ignition. But what I need to find out on the bottom end, because I'm pretty sure that's not this. Alright, y'all. On YouTube, Divine Speed Team. He's doing a Grand Prix, like a late, mid 80s, early 80s Grand Prix, LS swap. And he's going to show you. He's using the stock fuse block, but he's also, I don't know, like if y'all look at his channel, y'all be able to see, but you need a 7mm to remove these fuse blocks. This white one is C1. This red one is C3. I got the 7mm. I remove this white block. There you go. Found the screw to that. I've been found it. That saved me from having to buy some tools. These pro grade cheap joints from Harbor Freight been doing me well for the past several years. Huh? Oh, that was enough. Oh, there you go. I'm probably gonna remove this relay and these couple of fuses. Chicken dinner. What's that? Chicken bone. Man, so yeah, I mean, I'm on like I said, I'm on that Divine Speed team on YouTube. He helping me out and whatnot. I'm gonna be running, like I said, I'm gonna be running the stock fuse block. So where I'm at so far is on this plug. This is C1. It's a C1 plug. If you check it out and you look at it, you know what I mean, you got it up the right, standing up the right way. Columns and rows. You got A. You know what I mean, this first one's A, B, C, D, E, F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright? You know what I mean? So, in your first one on here, you got B11. You go to the second spot, second, you know what I mean, first before last or whatever. 11, B11. I mean, that's for a 12 volt battery to ignition. It's hot at all times. You got A5. That's 12 volt for OBD2 port. It's an orange wire. I mean, these is colored too. I mean, your B11 is going to be red. Your A5 is going to be orange. You got an A9. That's ignition switch. Hot with key on. I'm about to write that down actually. All right, and you got a, let me see, I got it over here. What's that? A C10, a purple and white. 1, 2, 3, 12, 11, 10. I mean, you go through up in here. You got this purple and white one. So, wire. This wire right here, I'm going to mark it. It gets 12 volts to the starter. I'm guessing, of course, when key's on. If y'all want to get these even up on your wires, if y'all doing it like this, I mean, just do the two ends together first. Take it, slide it down up over your straight wire. Take your wire, pull it back, get some tension up in there. Might not be straight, but shit, it's on there better than what it was gonna be. Now that was a C10. That's 12 volts to starter. Alright. Now, we done with the C1. I guess this, he said this red one right here is the C3. And you need one from this. It's the F1. It's a gray wire. It's for the fuel pump. He don't got. Okay, it's a 12-volt supply to the fuel pump. And then all the rest are from the C100 block. And shit, I must have left that at the junkyard actually. I didn't even grab it with this, but I didn't even grab the C100 plug from the junkyard, but the C100 plug is, if you guys remember, it's on the site. It's this plug right here. Yes, C100. But let me see, I'm not the very good thing. Alright, there we go. Okay. But on this red one, we're looking at no. This is the C3 block. We're looking for F3. I mean, so you want to set it up like this. Let me see. That's weird. This is weird. The letters are on the right side and it's going from right to left. So A, B, C, D, E, F is going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it's going left, or no, it's going right to left. Weird, but whatever. So we need the F1. That's right here, this gray one. Just gonna pull it up out of that section. Right there. And we're gonna mark that. How we gonna mark it? We need to mark that 12-volt to fuel pump. All you need is the fuel pump, fool. We got that. Damn, sun beaming in. But alright, do some thinking real quick, people. Alright, y'all, I done removed all the wires on one side of this block. If you want to remove wires from these connectors, I've seen some people use, screwdriver and whatnot, but you grab you some needle nose, grab about in the middle, You know what I mean? You start moving to both sides and whatnot, the brake loose will come out. And now you had to go on this back side. I'm just using this blade I got, you know what I mean, the little tip. You only need to keep one over here. I didn't need to keep this one, but it's a lot thicker than this one. I'm just keeping it just in case, because I might swap them over, I don't know. But I need to keep this one for my OBD2 power. Everything else can go. So let me see, I'm 1, 2, that's the third one up. That's right here, the one I need to keep. Where I mark around it. So I don't remove it. Shit. But let me see. I'm gonna show you how to remove a couple real quick. Take the blade, the tip of the blade. You see, goddamn. If you look in this block, let me see. You see the top in there. Top of these wires, there's that little pin looking. Let me see. I'm gonna lift one up and so y'all can tell the difference. Let me see. If you look up in there, oh damn, it fell back down. You see how that little tab is touching the metal. Take the little blade. Get up in it. Now y'all see it move. You move that. While that's lifted up. Let me see. Go up in there. Lift it up. Well, kind of hard to show you on camera, but I gotta lift it up again. That wire come right out. Move these real quick. Got them all up out of there. You're gonna take this on the opposite side. Clip it up in there. The wires is good. Like I said, I'm saving this purple one for now. You look at it, they got this slot on here. That slot slides down in here. Bam, bam. I'm not telling what this one go to. It probably don't go to shit. This little green one. Yeah, we got that green one out. We don't need that, I'm pretty sure. But y'all, what I was thinking, say for example, just a theory, I don't know, just a thought. Say this wire right here was for my starter on the factory fuse block, and say I wired this one to the starter wire coming from my car. So this one, say my starter from my car, and this one run to the starter on the engine. If y'all know what I'm saying. I wonder if, let me see, since they both, see what I'm saying? They both run right here. This one would be the engine, this one would be the wire harness for the car. I wonder if I'll be able to just throw a fuse in that joint. Or how it work. I don't know. I wouldn't say try that. I definitely couldn't tell you if it'll work or not. Come on, motherfucker, focus. But, I don't know, that was just a thought. A little quick thought. Again, using this blade, but yeah, I mean, you can use a small screwdriver and shit. Above this metal, you see that little clip, like, y'all see that move? I don't know. But yeah, I showed y'all. I'm about to remove these. It's really easy if you grab it like this. I mean, let me see which wire I'm looking for. Yeah, I mean, you can do it with two hands easy. I mean, how many more hands you gonna get to do it with? I don't know. Yeah, see, like, I gotta lift it up. Got it up out of there. Right. These are all the wires we already removed so far. Not from this one. You see on that red one, I just got that F1 that all wired to my fuel pump. I don't know exactly though. I guess using this because just using this just saves you, this actual stock fuse block saves you from having to buy blank fuse block, buy fuses, buy relays. Like, I guess this is just shit. You don't really gotta do no rewiring. You don't even gotta remove these wires, but you do need to still wire in whatever application you're using. You're gonna have to wire in that key source and whatnot. Like, I ain't gonna say key source, but the way you're going to be starting the vehicle, or at least you're gonna have to wire that to a different like external thing. I'm pretty sure. I don't know shit, but yeah, I know I'm just blabbering, but yeah, like, I mean, you wire in your vehicle's under the hood wires into your new engine fuse block wires. So basically, like, I mean, like, to dummy it, I guess, your car, when you turn the key and whatnot, as long as you got it wired right, your car gonna trigger these wires to, like, telling the PCM what to do type shit. You turn that key in the car, All that shit gone. And your PCM gonna tell your computer or your engine to. And they usually be.